It's my garage door PLC program.
What did you say? Didn't hear you.
Whoa.
Like, yeah, all my courses are on there. Real quick. You need it? No.
And there's my safety. Lube light or courtesy light should be going off in about 45 seconds.
Yeah, wait here. I turned it out a book. I'm done. I'm fine. Where's that controller? What's in that case? I don't know. That's what I was asking you.
Oh, lube light went off.